All right, guys, we are on Unit 3, Day 6 on the back side. And in number 2, it says, in triangle ABC shown below, medians AD, BE, and CF intersect at point R. Therefore, R is our centroid. Okay? And it tells us that CR is 24. All right, so if I see CR here, I'm going to go ahead and say we maybe need a bracket. So we know that the whole thing is 24. Okay. And then they tell us that RF, which is down here, is 2x minus 6. And remember what we said on the front, that this little piece here will fit into this larger piece exactly 2 times. Okay. And if this little piece is 2x minus 6, then each one of these pieces will be 2x minus 6. Okay, and now if you can see, I'll highlight, but right here, that piece they told me is 24, but you can also see that that 24 piece is also made up of 2x minus 6's. So we are going to go ahead and take 2. Oops, I don't want to do that. Oops. Okay. I'm going to make sure I'm on my pen. And I'm going to go ahead and take 2x minus 6's, and put that equal to a 24. Okay, that's just one way you can set up your equation. There are other ways, okay? But I would say that that is probably the easiest way, shortest way possible to your answer. Okay? And so we're going to have to distribute here. So 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And we're equal to 24. We're going to go ahead and add 12. And we end up with 4x is equal to a 36. And we're going to divide by 4. And x is going to come out to equal 9. Okay? And now if we go back and we read the question, they want to know what is the value of x, and x is 9. They don't want us to do anything with it. We could plug in and make things make sense. For instance, 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 minus 6 is 12. So not only is this piece 12, but this piece would be 12, and this piece would be 12. And you can see that that makes sense because 2 12s make a 24. And we're going to go ahead and head to question number 3. In number 3, it says that in the diagram below, point P is the centroid of triangle ABC. And it says if PM is 2x plus 5. And it also tells us that PB is 7x plus 4. Okay. And they want to know the length of PM. So here we go. We are going to go ahead and get that little tiny piece called PM in this question, and we're going to make sure that it fits into the larger piece exactly twice. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and say that this is 2x plus 5, which we know this is 2x plus 5, and this is 2x plus 5. Okay, and I'm going to take my highlighter just so you guys can see, but this piece they told me is 7x plus 4, and you can see that that piece is clearly made out of 2x plus 5s. So we're going to set it up very similar to the last one. We have 2x plus 5s will fit in a 7x plus 4. Okay, that's the easiest way to set up our equation. So we're going to go ahead and distribute. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4x. I get 10 equals 3x plus 4. Subtract 4. We get 6 equal to a 3x. divide by 3, and x comes out to equal 2. Okay, except this time that's not our answer. They want to know the length of PM. So we're going to plug in just like we did last time. All right, so PM has an expression of 2x plus 5. So 2 times 2 plus 5 is 4 plus 5, which is 9. And so we can go ahead and say that PM equals 9. Okay, and again, not only is this 9, but this piece here is 9, and this piece here is 9. And if I plug into this expression, that's 7 times 2, which is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18, which makes sense that this piece is 18 because there's 2 9s in it, which equals 18. Okay, guys. All right, last question. In this question, it says, in triangle ABC, shown below, medians AD, BE, and CF intersect at point P. Therefore, P is our centroid. And it tells us that PE is 3x minus 6. Okay. It also tells us BE, which that one's a little bit tricky to mark because it's the whole thing. Okay. That is 8x minus 7. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and find that small piece or the single piece, which is 3x minus 6. We're going to go ahead and make sure that it fits into the double piece exactly twice. And we're going to go ahead and put our 3x minus 6 on that one and our 3x minus 6 on that one. And then we're going to use our highlighter and show you that that 8x minus 7 is this whole piece. And notice how many 3x minus 6s are in there. Okay, the original one and 2 more. So that's 3. Oh, I did it again. That's 3 3x minus 6s to equal that 8x minus 7. Go ahead and distribute, and we end up with a 9x minus 18 is equal to an 8x minus 7. Subtract 8x, and we're left with an x minus 18 is equal to negative 7. Add 18, and x comes out to equal 11. Okay? Except they want to know more. They want to know what the length of PB is. So if I'm looking at PB, okay, that's just these two pieces here. So we're going to go ahead and plug in 3 times 11 is 33. 33 minus 6 is 27. So not only is this original little piece 27, but these two little pieces that fit in here are both 27. And remember, they wanted to know PB, which are these two 27s together. Okay? And 27 times 2 is 54. And so now we could go ahead and say that PB equals 54. Okay. And again, guys, you could check again another way. If you do 8 times 11 minus 7, that's 88. 88 minus 7 is 81. And if you added up 3 27s, or 27 times 3, you're going to see that's 81. And so that's a good check. Okay. All right. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit about the centroid. Okay. Remember that there's 3 equal pieces on the entire median, except one is in one spot separated by the centroid, and 2 of the equal pieces are on the other side. Okay. Always take that little piece and put it into the big piece twice. Okay. And then figure out what you have. All right. So you can set up your equation so it makes sense to the picture and what you were given. All right, guys. Hope that helps, and I will see you guys next time.